Okay. See, when you create a product, what will happen? I'm saying iPhone 200, something like that. Okay. And I'm giving iPhone 200 description. Okay. Cost will be 23,000. And choose file. I got the image. When you click submit, what will happen? The model state is actually validating and trying to store the image. You see that iPhone 2000 is added here or not? Say yes or no, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now whatever I added should be displayed the image here. So how to get that image? Simple thing. First, you go to your list. Okay, here, put a breakpoint. Run the project and see that whether you are getting the image value or not in this product list first. Okay. Now it is heated. F11, F10. Now you see this product, whether you are getting the image or not. See, you got the image file name, product file name. Are you getting the product file name in the list? Hey,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Come on, guys, you need to speak.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting an image file name? Right. Now I want to display this image file name in dr tag. Okay, so what I'm going to do in the index.cshtml product index.cshtml, go down, create a disk here, td product image. Got it? Everybody clear? Now copy this td, come down, under description, you paste it. Okay, here you are going to use an image tag, src, product image at product dot file name alt equal to at product dot one second. Yes. Regarding not required. Sorry. Not required. Nothing. Bye. Nothing. Bye. So you simply get that product image from this product file. Now you see here in the image, run it, you'll get that image will be loaded. You see, you got the images here. The images which I loaded, everything is available here or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But will it be good? But the size of the
No.
image is very bad. So what you need to do is to go to index, you prepare here id equal to load image. Okay. And take this id, go back to your CSHTML. In the index page here, write a style sheet and say dot width equal to 200 pixel. I'm putting a width for this image. Height equal to 100 pixel. You all got the point? Save it, run it. Now you all see the images in this. Whatever the image you added, everything will be shown here. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Maniganda, Mailsami,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Judy,
Yes, sir.
Manisha, Amar Venkat. You all understand, right? Satya Sai, Sagar, everybody. Will you all understand this? It's very simple. How you need to do is you first go and create an ad product. Okay. When you create an ad product, you will get a product ad request. Okay. In this ad request, you will have a iForm file, which is derived from Microsoft.ASP.CoreNet.HTTP. When you use this iForm file, product file with the iForm file, whatever the file you are uploading, that will be caught by this request. The moment you receive the request, you are checking the model state. And after checking the model state, you are going to create an image name. Okay. After creating this image name, you are going to get the path extension of that particular image. And finally, you are going to store it in the environment root path. Once you've done that, that image name you are going to store in the DB. Got the point? The image file name you are going to store in the DB. And then the requested file will be created in this location, this product image location. And then finally, you are going to call a database. Now see here, I'm trying to create a new image. Now here, click on new product. I say Samsung X200, something like that. Okay. And the product name is description. I'm going to give. Okay. My cost of the Samsung is 12,000 rupees. Now click on image. Let me choose an image which is related to Samsung. Which one is Samsung in this image? Can anyone tell me? Which one I can choose? Can I choose this? Or can I choose this? Come on. Which one I can choose? Let me choose this. Open. Click submit. See, you got the Samsung here. Did I add it?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Is it easy to create a product or not? Everybody clear understanding, right? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Everybody.
sir.
It's very clear to understand, right? How to create a product. Now, here I'm going to have one more option. Sir, I don't want this particular product to delete. For that, first I need to create a delete method. How to create a delete method? In the index, let me try to close all document other than this. Close other tabs. Now go here. Here I'm going to create a delete. Listen carefully. This is most important. I'm going to use a delete option. Okay. And then in the TD tag, button class btn-btn danger. Okay. And no, I'm going to use an anchor tag. I'll tell you the reason. Okay. And href equal to delete slash at product dot product ID. Okay. I completed an anchor tag. Now copy this, go to my controller. Here, I'm going to create a delete method. Right click, outlining, collapse to definition. Here, public iAction result delete. I say integer product ID. Okay. Why I'm using the product ID, I will tell you. See, what is the name of this? This is the one I need to use the same here. If you change it, it will not work. Got the point? Now here, HTTP get, and you need to use a route. So what is your route? What is your route here? Your route is delete. Okay, slash, and you need to use this product ID. Okay, and then return. Return simply view right now. Let's see how it works. No, don't do return. Simply use redirect to result. Return redirect to action of index. I'll tell you why I'm using this. Okay, now put a breakpoint and see the delete method you need to create like this. Okay, what will happen? This is my action and this is my route parameter. You all clear my point? So using the delete action, with that you are getting the dynamic delete parameter. Now you see here in the index using a delete product ID. Now run it. You will see a button as a danger. Update I will do tomorrow. Today I will complete the delete. Oh, okay. There you can provide delete. Manisha, you understand?
Yes.
Is it easy or tough?
it is easy.
Great. Now you see here, there is a delete. Did I created anything, ma? Everything it is created automatically, right? Say yes or no? Everybody, say yes or no? Now, if you look into here, you see here, when I scroll on the delete, ID I am getting or not? There is a URL is coming here in the down or not? You see here, you see my scroll down, you see here, when I go on kept a delete, what is the action it is showing? Delete of XYZ. Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now click on a delete. Which method it is calling? Product ID. But something wrong. Why it is not getting? Hold on a second. Here, instead of using href, let me use something like this. ASP hyphen action. Sorry. ASP hyphen controller. Okay. There I can say my controller is product. ASP hyphen action. There I can say delete. ASP hyphen root product ID. Okay. And this is the one I'm going to assign. And then I'm going to remove this. I'm using the tag helpers here. Okay. Now build it. Now you see 3007 is coming. You see here, earlier the number changed. Now it is changing 3006, 2006 like that. Now click on delete. What is the value you are getting? What is the value you are getting? Come on. What is the value you are getting?
Product ID.
Huh?
Product ID.
Product ID. ID you are getting, right? Now, if you get the product ID, you need to delete the product ID. Before you delete this product ID, what you need to do is, you need to write an action method. You need to write a service layer. What you need to write in the service layer, can anyone tell me? In the contract, you write here, void delete product int of product ID. Listen carefully. You have to create a product ID like this. Now, build the project. Go back to your service layer. And then right click, quick action, implement interface. Now here, you go and take the delete product. First, you need to check your product ID should not be null. If product ID equal to 0, throw new exception saying that product ID is not null. Product ID is not equal to 0. This is the best practice. Any request you come, you need to mention this. You are creating your own exception, which is related to business exception. Okay. Always when a request comes to your service layer, you need to write this. If it is not, what you need to do, you need to get the product ID. Where product, instead of you do one thing, product model, products, products equal to this dot product db context dot. This is the one you have to do. Not find where x dot product ID.
In table column, yes.
Always should have a null because it won't allow the null. Dot first star default. Okay. What will happen? This product will give. Once you get the product, this dot product db context dot delete. Remove. Remove of product. And then this dot product db context
Save changes.
dot save changes. Okay. Why it is throwing exception should not be null, right? Okay, it's a best practice. Don't use this. Build. Succeeded. Now go back to your controller. Here, this dot underscore product service dot delete product of product ID. Now save it, run it. Listen carefully. I'm deleting the product. Now we click on a delete. Now you see there is a product ID. You got a product ID, right? And this product ID will call a service delete product. And this delete, you see product is deleted or not? Say yes or no?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm clicking one more time. F11. Now you see here, first it is checking the product ID equal to 0. No, product ID is not equal to 0. And then it is getting the entire product list. Now you see a particular product list is coming from the database. Before deleting, you need to get the product entire value, and then you need to use the remove option. Listen carefully. You cannot directly remove. You need to pass the remove as a product list, entire product object or of that particular record. For that, you are going to get this particular syntax, context dot products, because product is the table where x of x dot product ID equal to whatever the product ID you are passing dot first or default. Either it should be first record or default record. The first or default term means either it has to take the first record or a default record. Okay. Based on that, you are getting the product. Once you get the product, this context will help you to remove the product, and then it will not be permanently removed. After you make the save changes, the data will be deleted in the database. Once it has been permanently deleted, now go back. You're going to call the index action method. The moment you call the index action method, record will be deleted. It's all clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody.
Yes.
Guys, you need to unmute and speak. Everybody clear or not? Come on,
Sir, clear, clear.
everybody. At least you have to ping
Yes,
in the
sir.
chat saying that yes or no.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Hmm? Fine. Now, let me go and delete all the records and try to add in new records. Done. Because nothing is there image. So let me add this. Okay. Now you can add your beautiful products. I can say iPhone 20 values. Product cost will be 35,000. Choose your file. Select your iPhone. Where is iPhone? No image for iPhone. Anyway, we'll take this one, open, submit. Now you got the iPhone. See, everything is added. Like that, you need to build it. Tomorrow, what we can do is, I want to change some values. Even though iPhone is there product, I need to add some description. I have to change the image or I need to change my cost. How to implement that, we'll see tomorrow. Clear? Everybody clear? So you all understand, right? How to build the list, how to add an image into the project, how to create a product, how to delete the product. Everybody clear? It's a basic CRUD operation. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody clear, right? So tomorrow we are going to update the product. The moment we update the product tomorrow, that entire CRUD operation of MVC will be implemented. Now you see the beauty. Did my layer changed anywhere? Did any layer is changed? Did I added any new layer?
No.
What are all the layers that we have? We have application layer. In this application layer, you will have controller and view, right? And where is the model? Model is here. Where is your repository? Here. Where is your service contract? Here. Where is your service layer? Here. Are you got my point? So this is how you need to build your architecture. If somebody comes and asks you, sir, I want to expose API for this particular product, you will create another project in this solution as an API, and that API will require only controller, doesn't require a. I'm going to use all these as it is. I'm not going to change anything. Is it a best practice to convert the code into different layers as a class library project, or it is going to be used as a different within a same project as a good practice? Which is good practice based on your knowledge? You can tell me. Writing logics in a different class library project is good, or writing logic in the same class library project is. Come on. You need to speak.
Yeah, different is the best, sir. Whatever we are doing it.
Why? Can you tell me the reason? Why do we
Yeah.
need that?
Yes, yes, I think you already explained the first class only. If you are doing like that, no need to depend anyone. Like suppose if you are working UI developer, he will work the UI, and the service layer will work the service layer person, and the control will work that one. Different that one. No need to depend any work. Like this, we are going the solutions.
You understand? If you go for a complex projects, if you go for a complex application, always a best practice that you need to go for a different solutions. You should not go for
Yes.
the same solution. Yeah. In interview also, it is very easy for you to explain these layers. And this is the typical diagram I showed you on that day. Did you see the diagram? Word. Since I have a time, I'm explaining. Did you see this diagram? Copy. MS Paint. Yes, MVC design, it's already there. No, this is mine, which I created. Did you all understand this diagram? Can anyone explain this? Judy,
Yes, sir.
can you explain this diagram?
Yes. So whatever the request from the user, it will come to the middleware, and from middleware, for the data or any kind of data manipulation, it will go to the model,
Mm-hmm.
and from middleware, it will come to the controller,
Mm.
and in controller, we will define objects,
Mm.
and from there, sir, I can't put it in a word now.
No. Whatever the way you are thinking, you can explain. See, I just want you to understand the diagram. That's it. Typically, we made
Yeah.
almost 14 sessions, right? So I just want to understand whether you are aware of this diagram and based on that conceptually you understand. See, that my thought process is that if you're talking wrong, also I'm okay with that.
Okay.
I'm here to
So,
correct it.
okay, sir. So in controller, we do the injection. Oh no, in
Okay.
service, yeah, dependency injection, we have to do it in a controller itself, right?
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. Then that service layer is injected in iService
Mhm.
in a controller,
Mhm.
and sir, I can't explain it anymore.
Go ahead, go ahead. What you do in the service layer?
Uh, in service layer,
Okay, leave it. Can I go with any other one? Sagar, are you there? Sagar Raskar. Okay, let me go with Satya Sai. Satya Sai, are you there? Maniganda? Maniganda, are you there? See, if you are not speak, there is no use there. Maniganda, Amar, at least you can explain. Amar, Judy, are you able to hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah, yeah.
It is less than 1 minute. Session will disconnect it. Can you speak fast?
Yeah. Whenever the user enter the request, now first it will come the middleware. In the middleware, the user is valid or not. It will check if the user is valid. Next, it will go the controller. In the controller, we need to write. We have to write the first of all I action methods. Based on the I action methods, it will call the service layer. Service layer, we have to define the services. Based on the service layers, we need to call the repository layer. Repository layer will talk to with the database. Once the database get it successful, next it will go the service layer to controller.